So, this is Mr. Daniel Merge again. We're gonna start with the exercises. We have the first example. Dan participates in class, so he gets extra points. Now, first of all, let's see the verb and indicate the tense of each. Dan is the subject, so participates is the verb, so it's in the present. So what type do I have to change it to? Type 2. Very good. And over here we have gets, which is in the present as well. Now, remember these? Okay. Participates, is it positive or negative? It is positive because it doesn't have not, and gets is positive as well. So we have to have not in the answer and not in the answer as well. Let's start. If Dan participates is in the present, so remember, present, we change it to type 2. We want to change it to the past, and we have to add not because we have to change from positive to negative. So what's the past tense of participate? It is participated, but we want to add not. So can we say participated not? No, so we say didn't participate. So if Dan didn't participate in class, he get. We have to choose one of these plus not, because this is positive, we change it to negative. So he, very good, would not get extra points. Okay, so Dan participates in class, so he gets extra points. If Dan didn't participate in class, he wouldn't get extra points. Let's do the other one. Rami doesn't study, so he fails his exams. Rami doesn't study. This is in the present and it is negative. So I have to change it to the positive. Very good. So he fails his exam. Fails is in the present, but it is positive. So I have to add not over here. So if Rami doesn't study, I want to change this verb because it's the main verb to the simple past. So what's the past tense of study? Excellent. So if Rami studied, what happens? He, very good, would what? Very good. This is positive, so we have to add not. He wouldn't fail his exams. If Rami studied, he wouldn't fail his exams. Lara is late, so she will miss the movie. Is present, positive, will miss, it's in the future and it is positive, so we have to change it to the negative. We follow the same rule. If Lara was, we said earlier that we have to use were. So if Lara were, very good, is positive, we change it to negative, so we add not. If Lara weren't late, she would, we have to change it to the negative as well. She would not miss the movie. Okay. Now we're gonna move to type 3. Let's remember. Past to type 3. What's type 3? If plus past perfect, which is had plus the past participle, would have PP. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? I forgot my pencil, so I didn't write my homework. Forgot is a verb in the past and it is positive. I didn't write in the past and it's negative. So over here I have to have not. Over here I should not have not. Let's give it a try. If I Forgot is in the past, so I'm gonna change it to type 3. So we said it has to change to past perfect. Had plus the past participle. What's the past participle of forgot? Forget, forgot, forgotten. What's wrong? Excellent. We have to add not. If I hadn't forgotten my pencil, comma, what would have happened? I would. Remember, here's negative, we drop the not. I would have wrote, written. I would have written my homework. Okay, so if plus past perfect, 1, 2, 3. This is type 3. 1, 2, 3. Would plus have plus the past participle. Okay? 2 more. What do we have? Because Lania underwent a surgery, she looked prettier. Underwent is a verb in the past. You don't know what this verb is. Fine. Break it into 2. Underwent, went. Remember, go, went, gone. So undergone is the past participle. A surgery. She looked. Looked is past and it's positive. So we have to change it to negative. And this one is positive, so we have to change it to negative. Let's start. If Lania underwent, had plus not, hadn't. Undergone a surgery, comma, who knows? She would, what do we add? Positive. She wouldn't have looked. She wouldn't have looked prettier. Okay.